Hey guys, I'm Matt Asplund and welcome back to another Unreal Engine Fab Marketplace video. Today is something slightly different I've not really done before, but what we're doing is a showcase of an individual sale. So that's a sale of just an individual creator. And this creator is also calling their sale the Space Sale. And so obviously that is the theme throughout the assets that they have got on sale. So these 7 space themed products are 50% off from the 9th of September to the 20th of September. And there'll be links in the description down below to the packs that are on here. And if you do enjoy this type of content of individual sales, as well as just the limited time free and the mega sales and all of those other things, do let me know in the comments down below, as again, this is something new which I'm trying out. I should also say that I'm probably going to cover a few of these assets quite quickly, just showcasing them, putting them in front of your eyes and letting you know a little quick bit about them. But without further ado, let's get right into it, starting with Space Maps V2. So this pack includes 7 unique space maps with a customizable skybox system and a dynamic rock and meteorite system. So these 7 space maps are Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Neptune, Uranus, Venus, and a solar group. The skybox system includes 10 providers, which are pre-built, high-quality skyboxes with nebula, stars, and cosmic effects. You've got material instances, which are fully customizable to tweak colors, brightness, and effects to match your game's vibe. And the skybox system also has 8K textures for crisp, immersive visuals, even in large-scale scenes. Because obviously you're going to want the skybox to be absolutely massive, so you don't want it to look like it's kind of stretched and low quality, so those high-quality textures are really good. And the rock and meteorite system is blueprint-based, so it's easy to use for quick setup and integration. And it's also very customizable as well, so you can adjust the size, speed, and appearance of rocks and meteors to suit your game. And these also have 4K textures. So in summary, you've got 7 space maps, 10 skyboxes which are customizable, and a rock and meteorite system, and all the textures are both 4K and 8K. There's 28 materials and material instances with 35 textures. And next up, we've got the spaceship system V2. So this is a spaceship which is equipped with movement, animation, hover, sound, speed boost, missile launcher, and a target tracking system built for ease of use and maximum impact. So there's a hover system, a flying system, takeoff and landing function, animation system, which includes the wheels and wheel covers as well to make it look really kind of futuristic and detailed. There's also a target tracking system, so missiles will intelligently track and destroy targets. You've got visual effects and sound effects as well. So there is collision included within this, but there are no LODs. There are 7 blueprints with an input of keyboard and mouse, and it is not network replicated. And then we also have just spaceship system. So this is obviously very similar to the second version, however there is less in it. For example, in V2 you have 7 blueprints, and in V1 you only have 4. Then we've got another space maps pack as well. So this is again very similar to the other one mentioned, just less within it. So you've got options between an older or a newer version, depending on what it is that you want, as they obviously are slightly different. And if you want to go for a slightly cheaper version or a more expensive version, you can do that. You've got these options. So again, this is very, very similar. You've got Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Neptune, Uranus, Venus, and a solar group again. But this one only includes 9 skyboxes instead of 10. And now we have something a little bit different and more unique, and that is a space bike system. So this space bike is equipped with movement, animation, sound, and visual effects. So similar to the spaceship, you've got a hovering and a flying system, takeoff and landing functions, animations, visual and sound effects, and also a UI included within this as well for target, height speed, landing value, speed boost, and landing speed. So this bike does have collision with no LODs though, and there are 7 blueprints within this, input a keyboard and mouse, and it is not network replicated. So again, this is similar to the spaceship system, but it's just slightly different because it is made with a bike in mind instead of a full-scale ship. And then we have 2 different space packs. And now Space Pack V1 includes the space maps and the spaceship system. So you get 2 different packs in one. If you wanted to get those 2, this is going to save you a bit more money as it's bundling those 2 together. So you've got space maps with just the 9 skyboxes, and then also the spaceship. And then just Space Pack, not V1. It includes Space Maps V1 and Space Maps V2, as well as Spaceship System V2. So you've got the 7 space maps, the 19 skyboxes, and 10 planets. So this, again, is a bundle of 3 other packs, which is going to help you save a little bit of money if those are the 3 packs that you wanted to get. And again, remember, all of these packs are 50% off from the 9th of September until the 20th of September. But with that, I think that'll be it for this video of covering this individual sale on the Unreal Engine Fab Marketplace. Again, this one is kind of a space sale, so if you like any of these packs, there are links to them in the description down below. And again, let me know if you enjoy this kind of video of me covering an individual sale instead of a larger sale covering loads of different packs from loads of different people, whereas this is, again, just one individual. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to leave a like and a comment down below, as it really does help me and the channel out a lot, and it helps me know what it is that you guys want to see as well. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.